Hey everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam, and now in this video we will be installing the Node.js from the scratch on the Windows. So for that we will be going to the browser here, and then we will be going to the nodejs.org, which is the official site to download the Node.js. And now you can see there are two versions here with the 14.17.5, which is the LTS and which is for us, and then there is one more version with the 16.8.0 which contains all the current features, but we will be okay with the 14.7.5. then we will be downloading it. And if your OS is different, then you can try out with the downloads here, and then you can try out according to your OS with the binaries or the installer here with the Mac OS or the Linux. And now you can download it according to your OS, but I will go ahead with my Windows. So I will click on it, and now you can see I have already downloaded it here. So I will click here. So I will open it here. So now you can see the setup wizard has opened, and now we can see the next steps here. Just we can click on the next, and then I have already installed, so I will just do the change here. So I will click on again the next, and then you can see, and then you have to make sure that you have to tick all these options, because we don't have to exclude any of the things here, because we will be needing the NPM runtime, NPM package manager, the online documentation and the path. And then we have to click on the next here, and then click on the next here again, and then I will click here the change, and you will be having the next option here with the installation. I will click on the change. So now you can see it is now installing here. So now you can see it is now purely installed. Now we can finish here. And now if we have to verify here, we can go to the CMD with the CMD, and then we can try out with the node. I have to run node, it is -- version. Now you can see the 14.17.5 which we saw on the Google. Now it is the same. Then for the NPM also, NPM -- version. And you can see the 6.14.4. So now these two are installed perfectly, and now we can move ahead with the different steps throughout the tutorial. Thank you guys.